Well, this is a message that I would like to send to Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, the Chief Minister of Assam, who seems to be a habitual loose talker, that he should mind his own business and should rather look at his own backyard. He has no right whatsoever to interfere into the affairs of the state of Meghalaya as far as the recent concluded parliamentary election is concerned. In a democratic country like India, the people of Meghalaya have the right to choose or elect any person as long as he is the citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe